Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Pro, and today we have a 2025 Toyota 86 GR Coupe, stock reference number 7369. The shape runs from the 6th month 2022 and is the current shape. It has an FA24 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. FA24 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with the bonnet, has a light hail and a couple of large creases. Tidy front bumper cover, right headlight, left headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, side skirt, left hand door has no damage, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light boot lid does have some damage, suit private, tidy rear bumper cover, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand side skirt, right door has one small dent, right power door mirror has missing the base cap, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather and suede interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.